Hey, it's my family. As you saw by the title, we will be having a seafood mukbang. So we have king crab, corn, eggs, potatoes, shrimp, and sausage. And this was purchased from Krab Queens. It was founded here in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and they are in different locations throughout, I guess you say the South. Oh yeah, and also we have our, what's this flavor?
There's the Cajun.
The Cajun sauce. It's
Cajun
actually already
sauce.
it's actually already marinated on the seafood, but we brought extra to dip in. Along with Ryan has his seasoning sauce, and then we have our lemon juice. I guess in the front up here, huh?
Yeah, I'm not a double dipper. I am not a double dipper.
I don't know. I make dip every now and again. Extra.
You double dip, you gotta get your own bowl.
Walk over too, baby. Oh, you got it already. Yeah. So you're good at doing the crab. Me, not so much. Oh, guys, next week too, I smack. So sorry in advance.
Yeah. I'm gonna stay there.
Talking about me being dirty.
I'm gonna stay right there. Let's see how we do it.
It is not that. It is like kind of like room temp. Little, look at that. And KK already had hers, guys. She was not waiting for us. Yeah. I'm telling you, I don't know why. It's like their sauce changed a little bit or something.
Got a little kick to it?
Yeah, more than usual.
Got a little kick to it?
He's so silly.
Yeah.
Oh, you perfected that.
Yeah. Dip it and drip it. Dip it, then drip it. Dip it, then drip it.
I said shrimp. Lemon?
The lemon juice?
I'm doing the lemon juice.
Dip it and drip it.
Yes. I love their potatoes. That's my favorite. What's your favorite, babe?
The crab.
Yeah.
The potatoes are amazing. Shrimp are too.
But let me ask you. See, I think the potato holds that flavor, like whatever. I think whatever flavors, mild Cajun, and then after Cajun it gets hotter. But Cajun is more so like if you want something with a little kick, but not too much of a kick where you can't really enjoy both the dipping sauce and your food. So yeah. But I feel like the potato.
So you got feed control with plate? Yeah, I'm pretty sure they can see all that.
If I kind of lower the camera a little bit. So, yeah. I'm gonna do the sausage now. What is this? What type of sausage they? It's not the regular type of sausage. This is like the sausage they use in certain breakfast, like your grits.
What's done me? Okay.
Look, I've never tried the egg. I mean the corn, but I guess I'll try it now. Put a little lemon on it. It's really good.
Yeah.
It's like they soaked it in the juice. What it's called. And it's like I just dip it again before eating it.
You gotta put it all like that. See that? I mean,
I guess I was right on.
Anyway.
See, Ryan is better at doing the crab. Way better than I am. So, yeah. Honestly, I'm more of like a shrimp person. So, yeah. I'm telling you, it's like a different kick to it.
Yeah, it is. My grape juice.
Okay. Let's see. Where should I crack it? Here. He's gonna give me a little lesson, guys.
I mean, you can.
Like
You
a
can
look.
do that one first. Or you can do the other side. Either or.
Mm-hmm.
That one you don't want to crack around the edge, yeah. Not spinning around. And I crack it.
On that side.
Yeah. And I pull it over. And then
Check that out.
you did it. You did it.
I'll try the corn this time. Are you gonna take one for the team to try the egg?
Oh. No, you try to slide that one in there. No. I don't want to take one for the team.
No.
Uh-uh.
How bad I go?
That may come on. Alright. What's
Let me shit over that way. Only because I'm trying to pull this back here.
I'm gonna do.
So it's a different sauce. What? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow. What a creation.
Mm-hmm. Slide the clean out of
You really used a plastic part to slide the meat out of the crab.
there.
Wow.
Yeah.
How can I do?
I was having altercation. Settled that pretty quick.
Mm-hmm. Oh, feeling. It is like feeling. Lemon juice. Mm-hmm. I want to double dip. Can I double dip?
So you make sure you stay on your side.
It's gonna all come together.
Stay on your side.
Whatever.
It's gonna come together on your side.
All right. Come on, baby. Let's see. Oh, another product. Okay, a little meat, not much.
A little taste tester.
I like it when it's the big ones.
Mm-hmm.
It's like with the king crab, you get. Well, is this the king crab or is this colossal? I did it.
Finally.
I did it.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a rubber band, huh?
Yeah. I did it.
Whatever. I don't know, I just feel like the crab not bad, but I really feel like
The shrimp and the potatoes are your favorite.
yeah, they hold the sauce better.
I know. But the crab is just right.
Oh, wait, that was nasty.
Just right.
I have to get that meat out of there. Struggle is real. Tell me, I should have had the scissors for this. Cause man,
You know, you just need to know how to use it.
I know, but I feel like
Crab.
some of the legs are so flimsy. I just like you know, when you hear that actual complete break. You know, it's exactly. That's how you know. Like, okay, yeah, this meat gonna come out. It's gonna come out together. But when it's like a crunch and then a soft crunch, I'm like, yep, gonna be trouble. Definitely. See, I might try what you did earlier, Ronnie. Let me see. Let's see, guys. Will it work? Take the fork and look at that. Coming on through. Perfect for those that struggle like myself. Definitely. Because guess what? I'm making sure that all of that meat is coming out.
Be looking at that. No, pull it. It's full.
Pull it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Wow!
I was about to eat that. How you gonna tease me like that? I'm knowing. You're so sweet.
Yeah. No problem with that.
Mm-hmm. I'm getting full.
Huh?
I'm getting full.
Yeah. And then you something?
I'm telling you. And I still have crab meat. Hold on. That nose. I know that there's one, a location in Atlanta, Georgia for sure. They just opened up one.
Texas, huh?
I think so.
One in Texas as well.
What is so squeaky?
Oh, that's me.
Huh.
That was my favorite.
Ugh. What is that?
There's nothing but that.
Oh, okay. Look, crab fat. Check me out. What did you do there? It ain't gonna break right.
It's full.
Mm-hmm. I'm getting full. And guys, I don't know if you guys saw how much we started with, but this is a lot. Trying to, which one did you order? This is like our fourth time eating.
This is the colossal plus more shrimp and crab.
Oh, that's what it was on the menu? Cool. Yeah. And it's a lot. Like, last time we got this, we ended up purchasing 3 of them, and that was to feed us plus 4 kids, and it worked out well. So yes, if you have a Krab Queens in your area, definitely recommend you try it out. Because they do not hold back.
No, because everything is amazing. Even the environment.
Yep.
Very amazing.
Yes, indeed. And it's worth the money. It really is. If you're a seafood person. But they sell other things besides seafood. Well, everything I guess we would say is seafood because it's either you can get it boiled or you can get it fried.
They have their grunt as far as the waffles and all that. I've seen burgers.
Right. Oh, the burgers? Okay. Still not a burger person, so.
I don't know.
Yeah. I haven't really had that many shrimp.
If I go to a seafood restaurant, I want to see seafood.
I like that.
I want to see other food besides seafood.
Right. But yeah, it's some nice sized red potatoes. And look at the shrimp. Nice sized shrimp as well. And that's all the way through. From your first taste to the end.
Yeah, you're going to pick up a big shrimp like this. And then the next time you got one that's like half this size? No. No.
Don't you hate that? It's like not even uniform.
They're not even all the same size.
Full?
Yeah. Okay.
I think they're pretty good. Because, yeah, we're going to show you guys where we started to where we are now. What is it? How do they have it? What I asked for? No. It's like how I said it the first time. But that is how much we have left. So we have a lot.
Yeah, we did.
Yes. How do you put your Cajun seasoning?
Amazing. I got that little kick to it though.
Yeah.
Like you said, yeah. That's my kick.
That worked out perfect too with the 6 cups of Cajun dipping sauce.
So now we know exactly how many
Mm-hmm.
need.
It's just so good. Like I'm full, but
And like you said, you gotta grab one more.
I know.
Like, alright, I'm through.
I feel like
And then you
professional.
look at it and it's like, yeah, just one more,
I'm
one
telling
hurt.
you, for real. I'm serious. Like,
Cause I am really like full. Like, man, my stomach's like, no more. But my eyes and my mind is like, dig in.
all right, guys. So that completes our Krab Queens mukbang. We hope you guys enjoyed. And until next time, peace. And we're signing out.